You know the scenario. One person's editing Final V4 while another person's editing Final V4 Actual, and nobody's slides look alike. So today, I'll show you how your whole team can build a presentation together using Beautiful AI. First, I'll kickstart a deck using AI. I describe what I need, and Beautiful AI lays it out with smart slides so everything is formatted automatically. Notice I'm not dragging around text boxes or images. The layout works from the beginning. Before I invite anyone from my team, I'll lock in the theme so everybody's slides stay on brand. Fonts, colors, logo, all consistent. Now, no matter who's editing it, it looks like we made it together. Now, here's where the collaboration comes in. I click share, add my teammate, and they're in. That's it. No exporting needed and no emailing a file back and forth. Now we're in the same deck at the same time. I'll build an intro slide while my teammate handles the data section. Because Smart Slides handles the formatting, their slides and mine match perfectly, even though we never talked about any spacing or alignment. Now say I want to change on their slide. I can drop a comment right on it. They see it, make the edit, and resolve the comment right in the deck. No separate thread, no which version are you looking at, no reverting to a previous version. The feedback lives where you're doing the work. And there's a finished on-brand deck that the whole team built together in one place in a fraction of the time. One version and zero chaos. Kickstart your next team deck with Beautiful AI. So click the link in the description and get started with your team today.